Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me best at 828-773-4500. We also have office hours 10 to 4, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, but call just to make sure I am here. All right, guys, this is a 2020 Charger Edition Lakota. This is an 8314, so 8 wide, 3 horse, 14-foot short wall. This does have the super slide in it with the fridge in the slide box, so it gives you a lot of floor space. This trailer does have some added options, so I'll point those out. Charcoal in color, it does have graphics. It is lightly used. It has barely been used at all, so it still smells new. The horse box still smells new. Lightly used trailer. So it's got a stainless nose, dual hydraulic jacks, spare, 2 propane tanks, a lockable aluminum battery box. Go ahead and into the GVWR on this trailer is 13,680. 13,680 is what the GVWR reads on this trailer. I'll give you the empty weight, which will be an estimate on my ad. All right, so slide. It's got an escape door. It's got the drop windows with bars. Flip up step to the escape door. All right, pointing out any damage. So damage would be, we've got some deep scratches and a little bit of blue, which the blue will probably come off, but I'm not sure. So deep scratches here, it's subtle. They actually look like graphics. You actually don't notice it unless you get really close. So from a distance, it just looks like a piece of the graphics. So pointing that out. That is the only thing wrong with this trailer. 2 manger boxes, aluminum wheels. Does have the extrusion on the bottom below those 2 manger doors. That's the additional aluminum, the ribbed aluminum there below those escape or manger doors. Okay, this does have a fold-up rear ramp. It does have a collapsible rear tack. It does have a saddle pad bar, brush box, saddle rack. Those are adjustable, and you can take that rack completely out. Bridle hooks. Again, the horse box is immaculate. The only thing that I'm going to show you that would be damaged would be the bottom. Here, the rubber is a little torn on the back door. That is it. There's absolutely no rubber torn inside the trailer. It's all in immaculate shape. Fully lined and insulated, roof vents. It does have drop windows on the rear. I've got them open. It does have fans. It does have a lower divider. All the padding is good. As I said, this trailer looks to be brand new. Horse box looks to be brand new. No issues that I can point out here. So horse box in excellent shape, no issues. All right, moving back around, we've got the drop windows, LED lights, and you got a load light on either side and on the rear. Large power awning, and it does have the extra cover over the awning to protect that fabric. No issues whatsoever cosmetically on this side. No dents, bangs, or anything like that. So stepping up, it's got a flip up step here at the dressing room. Stepping up in the LQ. This would also be, I just did a bison, this would also be in the hickory color. It gives it a real big open feel. So this has got a couch and fridge in the slide box. Gives you a lot of floor space. This is a dual aisle. A lot of people look for the dual aisle. So it's got 2 sets of steps up to the bed. Big and open back there. If you wanted some privacy, you could put some tension bars there on each side and put you some little curtains. So you can have actually a separate kind of a separate privacy area. So a lot of cool things you can do with a dual aisle. TV is here in the middle and cabinets below. There is a TV up here in the nose on the inside of the wall, so you can, like I said, if you put those curtains up, you've got kind of two separate areas here. Cabinets up above. Probably put a bigger mattress up here. This is the one that came with the trailer, and it's practically new. It's a full queen. I get asked that a lot. They're camper mattresses. They're not really truly a full and not really truly a queen, so it kind of falls in between. So showing you the floor space in this trailer. Good bit of storage. You got storage above the slide box there. You got storage here with the TV above and below. You got storage up above the nose there, above the bed. This is the bar, so it's got the hanging bar stools. They stay hung there when you're in transport. It does have a cabinet above. It is a rear kitchen. Cabinets above, microwave. This does have an oven in it and a 3-burner glass top stove. So it does have a oven, stainless double sinks. It's got a factory done mirror. But floor space, like I said, let me kind of spin back around. You've got a lot of floor space in this. It's nice, big, and airy and open. If you want some space, 2 steps up to the bed, privacy up in the bed area. Here's your trailer. Let me kind of move forward, and I'm gonna spin around. It does have a command center in that. I'm going to show you that actually in the closet in the bathroom, but it has a way that I'm pretty sure you can work the lights and things off your phone. It's got an extenda screen, and that screen is here that you actually can extend back and forth versus a camper door screen that's a separate door. So that's kind of what that means. Interior is immaculate. Trying to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like without being expanded. I know that's hard. It just makes a good video to do it that way. Clean trailer. Smells clean. Again, lightly used. I can't express enough how much both these trailers I've just videoed are lightly used and in excellent shape. All right, so taking a long spin to get back to the bathroom. So bathroom has the wardrobe, so that's got a couple of drawers. It's got the octagon shower, that command center I was telling you about. Actual, I guess part of it is here, and you've got the other part there at the door that you control. It does have a code that you put in to open it. If you've got kids, they obviously can't do things without having the code. All right, sink and vanity. Does have a walk-through door. Does have a fantastic fan. Does have a pocket bathroom door. All right, guys. So this is a 14-foot short wall, dual aisle, 2020 Lakota. This trailer's in excellent shape. It's like new condition, lightly used. A lot of options on this one. Good size, not too big. Measured it yesterday, 28.6 box, so just shy of 29 box. Add 8 to that for nose to tail. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. My name is Ashley. You guys have a great day.